Hi everybody, this is Fox Nomad, and today I want to help you travel smarter by making this quick little video. I hadn't really made a huge plan about this, but I recently wrote about what I think is the best bar in the world, and that's Bar Fun Fun in Montevideo, Uruguay. Now the last time I was there, I wasn't shooting too much video yet, but what I wanted to do was add just a little taste of what it's like at Bar Fun Fun in that article. I'm gonna link to that in the description below, so look at this video as sort of like an addition, just a little bit of flavor to that post. I tried to write it as best as I could and describe it as best I could, but honestly, it's just a place you need to go. It's one of those hole-in-the-wall places. It's pretty crowded, so it starts out early in the evening. It gets pretty popular. It's this small, completely brick-enclosed place that has tapas and it has food and its own signature drink, uvita, which is sort of a sweet fermented grape. I would say it's almost like a toxic fruit punch, as I would call it. So this video, what it is really just like an accompaniment. What I wanted to do was just add a little bit of flavor to that article with this video to give you more of a flavor of this place that if you're anywhere in the area, if you're in Montevideo, it's definitely a must-see. I think if you really like good music, good food, and especially all of that combined with good drinks, then you should check out Bar Fun Fun in Montevideo. So that article is linked below, so I just wanted to talk a little bit about what makes Bar Fun Fun so great. It's this little hole-in-the-wall place. It's completely made of brick, and it's got all these posters from all the years that this place has been around. And it starts out pretty crowded in the evening. So when you get there in the evenings, it is pretty crowded. People are eating and drinking, and it's very loud. And then it switches over to some music, which is lighthearted. And as the night goes on, then it switches over to tango. There are plenty of other breaks in between so that you can continue your conversation. And of course you can throw back more and more uvita, which is the signature drink that's made on site. The recipe and the ingredients are secret, but what it is basically a fermented grape that has kind of a sweet fruit punch taste to it with a pretty strong kick. So people are drinking this or wine or beer throughout the night and having conversations in between the music, and it's just got this great warm friendly atmosphere. If you really like good food and good music all combined with one drink, maybe too many, then Bar Fun Fun is the place for you. A lot of people just go for the early evening. It opens around 8 or 9 in the evening. So they'll stay for an hour or two, have some drinks, maybe some food, and then leave. But if you stay later on into the evening, you will get what I think is the best part, which is the music of Ricardo Oliveira. But I do have a few clips that I took at Bar Fun Fun so you can have an idea of what the flavor is like there. So I just wanted to share those with you and maybe give a little bit of a taste to that article, like I said, linked below, where you can read more about Bar Fun Fun. Definitely a must-do in Montevideo.
Que si no viene mi amor, no tiene consuelo, que solitario sin su cariño me muero. Guitarra, tú que interpretas en tu vibrar mi quebranto, que recibes en tu madero mi llanto, llora conmigo si no la vieras volver.
So there you have it. That's a little taste of the earlier show, which is more lighthearted. I don't have any videos of the tango show that happens generally in between, and I do have that little clip at the end. I hope you enjoyed, of Ricardo Oliveira. Like I said, a lot of people on TripAdvisor, this place is pretty popular, at least in the early evening. Either they love it or they don't quite get it. And I think that has a lot to do with the atmosphere, with the sort of the drinking environment, the sort of romantic atmosphere that this place creates, because it's a little bit too small, it's a little bit too loud, it's a little bit too crowded. And I think a lot of people have just one drink too many, but it all comes together in such a great friendly atmosphere. It's not open on Sunday or Mondays, but pretty much every night of the week it's pretty crowded. So you're gonna want to make a reservation at least the day before. I think it's one of the best bars I have ever been to in the world. So be sure to check it out if you're in Montevideo. Check out the article, like I said, link below, and tell me what you think about it. And if you really like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you really like this video, please hit the subscribe button. I'll have new videos for you every week. Thanks for watching this short one, and I will see you in the next video.